So to build an application with Electronite, there are two packages that do really the job of building, and that is electron-builder, and there is also something called electron-packager. Electron-packager has been forked, and we created an electronite-packager. Yeah, something like that. And you can use that just like you would normally use electron-packager. Now for electron-builder, it's quite a bit more complicated to fork and maintain, and it just seemed like a really bad idea. So after a lot of research and tweaking, I actually found this very simple solution, and that is simply in your build section. And side note, obviously this is a very trimmed down version of a package.json. So in the build section of your package.json, this is what electron-builder is using for the configuration. We simply need to set this electron dist, and this is going to use a custom distribution of electron. Now conveniently, since we have installed Electronite, the distribution that we want is actually right here. So if you run this on a Windows machine, Electronite is automatically going to download the Windows version of Electronite and stick it in here, in this directory. Same for Mac, same for Linux. So if you want to compile Electronite using, if you want to build your application with Electronite using electron-builder, simply set this field here verbatim. And then it will scream at you for not being able to find the electron version. That's because it is looking for electron in your package.json. So in order to get around that, simply give it a dumb value here in your build, electron version, and I have it set to null just to illustrate that we really don't need to maintain this field. And then finally, you just deploy it like you would normally do, or you just build it like you would normally do with electron-builder. And that is it. Now I should point out, this will not work for cross-compilation. That is, you can't compile for Windows if you are on a Linux box. That is because Electronite is just going to download the binary for your system. Now, I think cross-compilation for most projects is no longer necessary. Simply set up a GitHub action. They have VMs for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you can easily build your application for free using the GitHub actions. Or set up a VM and do it yourself on your own machine. So that is how to use Electronite with the Electron-builder.